Hello, my name is Kurt Cruz and this is Brian O'Neill, and we're here today at Coast to Coast International here in the R&D Center to share with you some of the latest CCI restyling and wheel accessories. Let's go. All right, what I have in my hands today is an Impostor wheel skin. It's an automotive grade ABS liner that is designed and manufactured to fit over and into this specific wheel. The part number is the IMP427X. It's available in a chrome or gloss black finish. Brian, what does it fit and how does it install?
This is your 14 to 19 Nissan Frontier. Start by removing your center cap. Line up your valve stem. Pop into place and tighten the retention.
As you saw, by installing the Impostor wheel skin, it will take Brian longer to wipe off his fingerprints than it did to actually install the wheel skin. The advantages are numerous. One, it instantly changes the finish of the wheel. Two, at a dealer level, the Impostor wheel skin upgrades the trim level package appearance. And lastly, if by chance your wheel has some cosmetic damage, maybe the clear coat is coming off, the Impostor wheel skin will do a good job at covering that aesthetic damage. For additional information or to see more, visit us online at coasttocoastinternational.com.